Are you tired of receiving spam calls and unknown calls on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to block unknown callers on iPhone using a built-in feature. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then select Phone. Now scroll down and find Silence Unknown Callers. Tap on Silence Unknown Callers and turn the toggle on. Once enabled, calls from phone numbers that are not saved in your contacts will be automatically silenced. These calls will still appear in your recent calls list and voicemail, but your iPhone won't ring. Block a specific number. If you want to block an individual caller, open the phone app, tap Recents, tap the I next to the number. Scroll down and select Block this caller. Confirm by tapping Block Contact. That's it! This is how you can block unknown callers on iPhone quickly and easily.